Hello and welcome to this tutorial on configuring iTunes to sync to multiple iPod touches. This tutorial first covers choosing libraries using the option click feature on a Mac. Second, signing into and out of accounts will be demonstrated. And finally, the settings we recommend in iTunes itself. Let's get started using the option click feature to open iTunes and the default library. To do this, simply move your cursor down to the iTunes icon, press the option key on a Mac or the Shift key on a PC and click. The new window will come up asking whether you'd like to create a library or choose a library. We're going to be choosing a library. We want to find the default library for this machine. So we'll go over to the user's ID, then to Music, then to iTunes, and finally iTunes Library. Click on Open, and iTunes will open up, usually at the iTunes Store. Notice at the very top, the iTunes Library is the only word up there showing that it is the default library for this machine. Our second step in this process is to make sure this library has no one signed into it. We'll take a look over in the corner to find out if anyone is signed in. As you can see, our math department is still signed into this library. We'll want to sign out before we proceed. To do that, simply move over to the store, click, come down to Sign Out, and here we see again that no one is signed in. The final step in setting up this computer to be the dedicated machine for the iPods is to move over to the menu bar at the top and click on the word iTunes. We'll also be going down to Preferences, and then we're going to move to the parental icon. Under the parental controls, we want to turn off the radio. Also turn off the iTunes Store. Please remember, if you turn off the iTunes Store, you will not be able to access the iTunes Store from this computer until you turn it back on. But the students will not be able to access the iTunes Store from their iPods either. Finally, come down to Restrict Explicit Content. It will give you a warning. Say OK. Moving over to the Devices icon allows us to uncheck Prevent iPods, phones, and iPads from syncing automatically. Indeed, we do want them to sync automatically. Click on the OK button, and notice, up on the menu bar at the top, the iTunes Store is now no longer visible. Again, all you need to do is go back to Preferences and turn it on when you want to use the store. In this tutorial, we saw how to choose different libraries using the option click feature on a Mac. We also saw how to sign in to and out of accounts. And finally, we saw how to configure the recommended settings in iTunes itself. Thank you on behalf of RU and myself for watching this tutorial.